Hey, my name is Yvette. Are you sabotaging your own business by what you think, speak, hear? It needs to stop because it will not make you rich, all these negative thoughts. So, one of them might be that you have a fear of asking the right amount of money for your work. It's difficult because you think, oh, maybe, these clients, they cannot pay it. But one, you worked hard for it. Second, you trained for it. You did everything. You invested, to help them. You want to bless them. And if you don't ask the right amount of finances, that's exactly what you give to them. That you are not secure, or that you're not sure, that you don't ask the right amount. Because when they go somewhere else for the same work, they have to pay a lot more. And they pay it. So don't be afraid to lose clients or whatever. Be secure in the amount you want to ask for the work that you do. For instance, you are like working in a beauty salon and you're guilty for charging a higher price. And so you feel insecure about it. Well, that's what your client will feel also. Like, you're not insecure. Well, okay, you can work on my face or my hair or my nails, but I don't know if it's gonna be good. We'll see, But if you are secure in your work, you know that you are the best that can help this client. You need to ask the proper amount of money. You know why? Because you deprive yourself of a blessing. You deprive yourself of feeling good. And also, if you deprive yourself, you cannot buy what you actually want, or your body or yourself feels to buy, and that's not good. For instance, also it could be even more difficult. You have like debtors. You need to pay. You need to pay the building. You need to pay for the car. You need to pay for your food. So, we're going to work on this a little bit, and I will help you how to overcome this negative thought. So, procrastination can also come because of perfection. I have a little bit of that. So you wait, for instance, you are a real estate agent and you need to make a marketing campaign, and because of your perfectionism, it takes too long before it gets launched. And so people are waiting with their perfectionism to get going. Money loves speed, and taking decisions loves growth. You need to take fast decisions. You need to work hard and fast. So it is because of like this video. For me, it's not perfect at all, and most of you might think that also. And I had to think but what is more important? The knowledge that I'm going to share with you, or that I look nice on the picture? I rather share the knowledge to help you a little bit further in your career and in your business, working on your mindset to keep it positive, to be successful. So procrastination is one. Fear of charging money is the other one. And so you have different kinds of thought patterns that will keep you away from your success. So what can we do about it? Actually, what are your negative thought patterns that keeps you from being successful, or not taking the decisions that you need to take? So I'm gonna give you an example. Example is, that you think I'm not good if you think I'm not good, then you think I'm learning and growing every day. That's what you need to think. I'm not worth it. Yes, you are. I did this before. I talked with that before. I was very successful, so I'm a successful woman. If you think I'm not smart enough to run a business, well, let's say that every expert was once a beginner, like all of us. And I am learning and taking steps to become the person that I want to be. Instead of thinking I cannot, it's not good enough, we need to replace these thought patterns in positive thought patterns. For instance, I can charge more, I cannot charge more. You can change that with the right clients will see my value. Yeah, you attract exactly the clients that you have in your mind. If you have clients that, cannot afford you, then that's what you attract. But if you say like, my right clients will see my value and they will pay for it. And instead of thinking no one will pay me that much, say I attract clients who value my skills and expertise. My work is worth investing. And if the client loves herself, she wants the best for herself, So it's also about, giving yourself a break and say, you're good enough. Actually, you're the expert in this area, If you have a thought like, I'll fail, it's not perfect, like the perfect mindset, then you can say, done is better than perfect. That means you can wait and wait and wait until it's perfect, but for who? You have to do it. You have to do it. You need to start, you need to plan, you need to take action. So it's not perfect. So sometimes I say, okay, doing it messy. Okay, here I am. I'm doing it messy. I'm reading it from my iPad. It's not all in my head. But I want to teach you something that can help you to grow and to be more successful. You can, if you're such a perfectionist, you can put yourself into deadlines. You give yourself deadlines. Like at that time, it needs to be finished. And if it's not finished, then let it go. Let it go. But act, do, and go. So if you want to know more, just give me a comment below. And, if you want to have more of my experience, then, all those buttons that you can click. And see you next time.